Hey y'all, N4H here. That's Bruce over there, parked. My grandson Landon, my son Joshua, my daughter-in-law Grace, my son David, and my son-in-law Tim. And we're hiking, or beginning to hike, Sheriff Knob, which is just near Vogel State Park. So you park over there, you start on what looks like is going to be a nice path, but you don't take it. You almost turn immediately right, and it'll be pretty obvious because you've got to scale this steep slope here. And there is no trail. Okay, I'll catch you in a bit. This is N4H. Y'all, that's the ridge line up there. Wish I could have got it on film. My son Joshua, who's out in the lead, he ran up this hill. Look, if y'all have ever done Sheriff Knob, you know that's not an easy feat. Well, let me get going. I'm bringing up the rear. This is tough for an old guy. Grace is doing well. All right, catching a few N4H. Hey y'all, N4H here. I tell you what, man. I did a bushwhack a couple weeks ago, and then this one, I think I'm out bushwhacked for a while. I mean, just Sheriff Knob is so steep. It's only 0.44 mile, but very, very steep. Do it in the wintertime though, before there's foliage on all these trees. All right, I'm still only a little over halfway to the top. N4H clear. N4H here, nearing the summit. And when you see all these down trees, you're nearing the summit. I won't kid you, this is a tough hike. Hats off to Mark and Gene and A-Ray. AE1 MS, AE1JS, and N4ARY. Hats off to them for doing this in the dark. All right, almost there. N4H.
Tim, I'm Top Sheriff Knob. Good to
Hey, y'all, N4H. Joshua and Tim are working Mark and Gene. Here, Mark. Well, I was talking about Mark in the earlier video.
Are y'all doing some camping too?
He and his wife Jean hiked this very mountain
We're actually in two of the cabins up there at Vogel.
in 38 degrees rain and at night. So they are officially beastly. This is a this is a really tough hike anyway. So fancy that as soon as I called CQ, it was Mark and Gene that came back to me. Appreciate them being there for us. So catch you on a little bit. This is the summit, by the way. Let me look around for you. Over in that direction is Vogel State Park, where we came from. Here's the summit proper. Well, I'm actually just a tad past it. I'm still on the same level. I decided I'd use that tree as a seat. So anyway, and they're back that way. All of us are within the activation zone though. All right, N4H. N4H here, making our way down Sheriff Knob. Boy, look how steep that is. You actually gain almost 600 feet in 0.44 mile. That'll give you an idea how steep it is. Oh man, so now we're only about a third of the way from the truck now. All right, so start working my way over to the left here a little bit. N4H. And oh, look at the mountains. N4H clear. Hey y'all, this got so deep, or so steep, that rather than take a chance on falling again like I already did, I'm just going to slide a little. Coming to you, David. That worked. N4H&H, innovations while you wait. Hey, N4H&H here, and there's Grace. She's studying for her ticket, y'all. So there's where we parked. You start on this little path, and you see this. There's these two mounds of dirt. You know, pick one. I think this is the easiest one. And you just start working your way up. And that's the mountain. You're going to make about 150 feet for every 1/10 of a mile that you go. You're going to make about 150 feet of elevation gain. Hey, Grace. And so Grace ought to get the honorary Mountain Goat Award for this today. She's quite a trooper. This is one of the toughest SOTA hikes there is. It was great to have my kids and daughter-in-law, son-in-law. So, hey, until next time, this is N4H. And by the way, sorry I didn't get any footage of me actually operating. It was, I was having trouble with my Morse paddle. Those of you who work me will know what I'm talking about. And I was frustrated with that, so I didn't even think about trying to film. Okay, here we are back at Bruce, and this is N4H&H for Summits on the Air, saying 73.